of the week. We got Equan, co-founder again. We're still just gonna be working. I don't really care if I get clipped anymore.
I'll be back.
All right. Bro, it's actually been some crazy stuff when Mr. Wing has this on, bro.
Talks a little too much shit for my liking. I mean, he's alright. Like he's cool with me, but like, you know, shit that he makes us do,
Bro, it's so like wishy-washy. It's like
you know.
like for 1 week he's just like yapping away, and then like another it's like, all right guys, you you got this big ass presentation that you guys need to do, and it's gonna take like 4 weeks to get it done, and like you gotta work in groups of 4 with people that you don't know or don't want to talk to.
Bro, in his class, bro, I talked to nobody, bro. He put me in a group of like complete randoms,
Are they in their grade?
Yes,
Bro.
fucking retarded.
He's on about some crazy stuff. Alright, I gotta get on this partnership contract. That's what I'm supposed to be working on right now. We promise not to take these clients. Setting expectations. The partner is responsible for managing the client's overall happiness. We're responsible for the technical work. If the partner promises, yep. We only guarantee we will perform the work agreed upon in the project scope. You and the client will be able to see the data or by asking for back-end access. Of course, for us to be able to do the work of running ads, we'll have to get working on SEO. Client using Google Looker Studio will read website ads and often to show data. Partner. Go watch on Twitch if you're watching this here. How about that? Invoice soon after we've gotten the client's information from the partner. Once the payment successful, will send an invoice soon after we have gotten the client's information and partner from the partner and will begin working once the payment is successful. Oh, holy shit. SEMrush is a lot.
Yeah.
5 websites only?
To monitor.
I'm good and all that.
Yeah, that's probably not.
Have you seen Uber Suggest or whatever?
Uber suggest.
Did I put that in there?
No.
I think I did. Uber Suggest right there.
Or, oh.
Oh, that's pricey. What the fuck? Oh, why? He looks like he's about to crash.
Okay.
You might want to put that in the tools that we'll use to. That's gonna be mostly used for SEO though. Uber Suggest.
Fucking computer is so slow. Let me just.
Ow. Bro, we need Liam to get back with me.
You respond?
Fuck.
You respond?
I don't know. No, he didn't. Bro, did you see my story the other day? Talking about golf is not a sport, bowling is not a sport, chess is not a sport. Bro, I said that like March of like last year, and I was just like scrolling through my camera roll, and I was like, yo, this is funny, and I still believe in it, bro. If you do kickboxing or wrestling, or you like you see like that type of physical activity, you don't think any of those shits are sports, bro.
Yeah.
Games, hobbies, not a sport, bro.
Bro, you're playing with balls. Like, come on.
Who the fuck just texted me?
Who the fuck is this guy, bro?
Who?
This bald dude on Uber. Like, this motherfucker.
Bro, I'm literally seeing the same dude. His name is Neil Patel. I'm following him because like he's a competitor, so I gotta like know what he's up to. And he's like a lot more up there. We are, but we're coming for you, Neil Patel. You may be bald, but I'm also bald. I mean, bro, being bald ain't even that bad. You can see everything.
See everything.
You see everything, bro. You don't have like freaking stuff in your way. I don't know how Tito does it. Like Tito is actually like really good with like all that hair in his face.
That shit fuck me up. 2 years. I think I already put this in there.
Bro, Tito's probably gonna do some shit where he just like leaves again. Bro. He was at the old gym.
For real?
Yeah. He was my first like training partner or whatever.
Damn.
So he's been there ever since I have. is good. He's a blue belt in jiu-jitsu, but he's like he's got more stripes than me for sure.
Isn't he a fight coming up?
Yeah. Well, coach invited me, you, Bransky, Leo, and Tito to fight, and Bransky and Tito took it. Leo is also really good. Like the Mexican dude. He only speaks Spanish, bro.
Shit, I forgot it. Yeah, he's good as hell too.
Bro, Fight Night is the best, bro. Except, bro, I haven't seen either one of them like lose yet.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't want to see that, but like, that would just not be good. We gotta do one when we turn 18, bro. We gotta do one like second semester of high school and just like invite everybody. Or second semester senior year.
Yeah, maybe, bro.
Bro, I would invite the ops too.
Invite ops.
Yes, I'd be like,
this is show what the fuck I'm about.
show what's gonna happen to you if you can try and get me, bro.
Keep talking shit, bro.
Like what else do I need to add in the partnership contract? Okay. Wait, what? You export a CVS file from Meta Ads Manager and import it into Google Sheets. Connect in Looker Studio, so you select Google Sheets as your data source. It's not live. Fuck. There are companies that build bridges between Meta and Google. Some offer free tier. If your Meta changes their API, why would they change that? These tools fix it immediately so don't break. this is okay. I'll let that run for a minute. Bro, that's the nice thing about AI. You can just like type it in and then walk away, and it'll still be like working for me. Bro, in the project or whatever, I was like, I'll be the advertiser because I already know how to do that. I know how to make a website. Like I do all that actually. Do any guys want to like? I started pitching him and shit. And Sarah was like, all right, that sounds good. Just no AI. And I was like,
no AI. Shit.
no, this is what I did. Okay.
Like what?
Just like shut the hell up.
Tell me what to do.
Tell me what to
from scratch, like what?
Bro, most people don't even like know like the true potential of like AI. Like I can go into N8N, I can go into like fucking Pimeli or whatever. I can go and look up like I know where to find this stuff like Cursor, freaking Bolt.news can make like full stack apps. Crazy stuff, bro.
So much more.
Oh,
So much opportunity.
oh my back is so cooked, bro. Alright, what is it saying? If you're not using a third-party dashboard, you will have to give them platform access. The key is not screwing yourself. Here is to avoid giving them access to the manager account for Google Business for Meta. Instead, add them only to individual client accounts. Okay. It's just a step guide. Individual account access. Do not add the partner to your manager account. If you do, they will see every client you have. Instead, add them to each specific client account one by one. Log into specific Google Ads account client.
Got a trash can somewhere.
Yeah, it should. Hold up. think it should be pretty easy to add the partner to the client's Google Ad account and Meta account. Or I just read over Google. Let me scroll to Meta. Select read only, send invitation. Okay. Meta is actually better for this because you can link your business to their business. This is the most professional way to handle it. Go to, okay, users, partners, click the, check the box for the specific client account you want them to see. On the right, toggle view performance on. Crucial, do not change toggle manage campaigns or full control on. Click save changes. The partner can now see wait. Bro, I didn't know there was the freaking Google Manager account or whatever for Google Ads. That made me so mad, bro. I had to go and fill out some like stupid stuff, and I just deleted the campaign right afterwards. And then I went to like Google Manager or whatever, and it just like it didn't have me fill out anything, bro. Just, I was like, okay, bro. I don't know if I had to like fill out all that campaign stuff first if I had to do that, but whatever. Here, I need to close CapCut. think we have like everything under control for that, and we're gonna know how to do it. So what's gonna happen for like each client that they refer to us is like for ads at least, um, we'll go in and like um, we'll talk to the client, and of course like once we get paid, we'll get access to their like Meta Business Suite so that we can run ads for them on Meta, and we'll get access to um, like their Google Ads account so that we can run ads for them there. And they'll have to have their payment method like saved or whatever, but we can't go in and change that. But what we will need to be able to do is add other people so that they can see stuff like in the access and security or whatever, which is what we saw on Google Ads. We'll have to go in and add what's it, a TIA technology company or whatever. Because I don't think we'll be able to do it with Google Looker Studio just because like we could do it for SEO at least. Like we could go in there and they could see things about SEO and maybe even Google Ads, but we couldn't do it for Meta without like paying an absurd amount for it or whatever. So we'll just have to go in and like add access so that they can go and like see everything. Because if the client's like, hey, what's going on here, to the tech company, we want it so that they can just like the tech company can just go in
and just see what's wrong.
Like see what's wrong or see what they're talking about and then just like tell them immediately.
Yeah.
I need to get Google Ads on my phone.
Yeah, me too.
And Meta Ads. I got Meta Business Suite and Meta Ads Manager on my phone already. You might want to go ahead and get that. Okay. The last thing we're gonna need to do before we say like, hey, we can discuss how everything's gonna work. I'm gonna send over the contract to him before we get on call, so that if he wants to review it and just like see what's going on with it and have any like objections, he can say so beforehand. But I'll also walk him through the process of like how everything's gonna work and like how they're gonna be able to see the data of that client. And I'll write it all out. I'll be like, so if they don't have Meta Business Suite, like that's like one of the first things that like needs to happen. If they don't have Google Ads account, that's like one of the first things that needs to happen. And then what's it called? And then tell them for each client that you refer to us, once we get paid, we will get access to everything and we will add you as a partner so that you can like view everything that's going on for that client. No, we're not. We can do that on the call.
Okay.
But I think he has Meta Business Suite and Google Ad account set up already. So he said he just wants to be able to like provide these services to the client as well. And he said he's not going to charge anything on top of that, but that's going to be tricky if he does. If he charges anything on top of on top of what we charge first, then that's going to be a little bit tricky doing the like money back guarantee thing. I might have to like specify that in the contract. Like if someone comes to you saying they want a money back guarantee from the work that we did, we will refund all that we got from that to back to you. And once that happens, we're not liable for like anything that you charge the client extra for that. So
Yeah, that makes sense.
I think that's like the last thing that I need to talk about in the contract.
I got Google Ads and Meta on my phone now, so
Okay.
um,
Oh, bro, I might have to go eat, bro.
alright,
Are you sure you don't want anything?
I'm cool.
Pretty sure my dad got pizza and wings.
Okay.
Super Mario.
Well,
Super Mario. How long have we been recording for? 33 minutes. Well, I gotta eat, so like I'm gonna stop recording. I guess we can still do a live stream. We'll be back next week.